Before we assemble the M1PS, please note the following. Don't take the handlebars apart yet. Prevent air from getting into the brakes. Accessories include charger, charging gun, display, handlebar pressure block, mobile phone holder, pedals, extension support, key, and the kit. Fenders, front wheel, rear view mirror, scooter cover. Now let us assemble the handlebars first. Alignment indentation. Then, put the pressing block on it. Turn the screws a few times, but not tighten them yet. Adjusting the handlebar height. Tighten the screws diagonally. Next, install the front wheel. Remove the plug from the front brake. If the gap is not big enough, use a screwdriver to pry it wider. Take out the front axle and bushing. Putting on the front wheels. The brake disc should snap into the brake first. Use a 22 mm bushing on one side of the disc through the front axle. The other side has 20 mm bushings. Put on the spacer and nut, with the concave side of the spacer facing out. Tighten both sides with a number 19 wrench. Test the brakes after installation. Remove the screws on both sides of the front fender. Next step, installing the front fender. Then, tighten screw both sides. Removing the screws that hold the display. Installing the display. Tighten the screws. Arrow to arrow, find display wire and connect. Install the rear view mirror clockwise. You can tighten with a number 14 wrench. Putting in a phone stand. Arrow to arrow connecting. Next to the wheel to adjust the size. USB port as below. Now, install the pedal. The R word is on the left. Tighten the screws. You can choose to install extension brackets or not. Higher in front of support. Screw hole with thread. Open the battery cover. Push back a couple of times. Please let air switch should be in the off state. Then plug in. Open the air switch. Installing the battery cover. The battery cover must be unlocked. We need slots on both sides, like in the video card slot. Press the left and right sides of the battery cover. Just push it forward a couple of times. A reflector can be installed on the front shock absorber. Congratulations! Now you can start to scooter. And also you can start by remote control. Starting alarm sound. Turn off alarm. Alarm sound. Press the lightning twice to activate the display. Press the release key to turn off the display. Well done, you finished the installation.